It's literally hurting. Oh.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Okay, guys, so today we're doing a pool video. We're gonna be here for like 4 hours. It's kind of like a drowny day, like it's very gloomy, but gotta get that footage in. I'm trying to post because I'm gonna have this group YouTube channel. It's gonna be 6 people, probably, or 5 or less. I don't know. But yeah, I'm here with Sierra. Ooh, Sierra, look at Sierra. There you go. Yeah, we're gonna be doing pool stuff. So now we're about to jump in the pool. Just kidding, I'm gonna record Sierra jumping in. Okay, Sierra, you can jump in now. She's a real champ. Damn. That was
really
good.
Not even cold at all. Like I swear to God.
I know, it feels warm. The clouds are really nice today.
It's gonna rain.
Yay. Ugh. Ugh. I guess, guys, it's my turn. Can I jump in with my phone? I guess I'm not gonna jump in with my phone. But I'm gonna put it down. You can't see anything right here.
Dude, look at your quality compared to mine.
Why is mine bad? Looks so much me. We're jumping together. Okay. I can't do it. That's the thumbnail. Sarah, you were in it.
Huh?
That was a good thumbnail. You jumped in and then it was just like, so get over some and I'm gonna jump in. And be like, that's gonna be a thumbnail, okay? I'll tell you when you're good. That's good. Stay there. I can't jump in. Okay. Ready. Okay, guys. They're racing right now.
If it starts thundering, let us know.
Huh?
If it starts to thunder.
Guys, we race. What steps in there?
Ready? I'm kind of scared.
Was it really? It's lightning we're worried about.
I'm kind of scared.
Now it's raining, guys.
He better be coming over here.
Now you gotta race.
Hurry, one more time.
Guys,
Die.
it's raining. Why does it always have to rain? Rain, rain, go away. Come back another
Hey,
day.
come down.
We should get out. I'm drunk.
Hurry, Dan. Should I get on this side? Who's gonna win? Sierra, you're losing. Daniel's the winner. What's your thoughts on that?
It was close. Like I never usually almost win or tie.
Daniel, we'll get your thoughts later. Oh my God, it's raining bad. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this clip here. It's literally hurting. Oh my God. This is one of the craziest you can get.